Hi, this is Amri Naseem Akram, and this is the dashboard that I have created using the Power BI. In this project, I made tables in the MySQL, and then I loaded data into those tables and connected Power BI to MySQL. And here we have the interactive dashboard. I'm trying to explain this dashboards. So these are the important KPIs that we have in the top, where we created these KPIs using the measures. So we have total revenue, average order, and total pizza sold, total orders. And since this is an interactive dashboard, so wherever we click, it will impact rest of the dashboard. So let's say that we are clicking on Sunday. So clicking on Sunday will show only data for the Sunday. So here we have 199 order in January, and that too only on the Sunday. Okay. So let's click on the Friday. So when we click on the Friday, then we have all data for Friday only. Here we received 330 orders in January, and that too only in the Friday. And here we have 281 orders received in February, and that too only in the Friday. Okay. And then we have the pizza category. It is a slicer, so we want to filter out the dashboards. Like want to see only for the chicken, so clicking on the chicken will show uh, all the it will display the entire thing for the chicken only. And here we again have another slicer that will help us to visualize data in between particular section of the time or interval of the time. So okay, so we saw it. Hmm. And then in the left side of the dashboards, here we have the insights, that busiest days and times, and then sales performance. We basically have busiest day as a Friday and Saturday. Here we can also see in the uh, graph that we receive maximum order on Friday and Saturday. So see here, on Friday we are receiving total 2394 orders, and followed by that we have Saturday where we receive 2110 orders. Okay, and then here on the top we have the click. So if we click on the worst and best seller, it will take us to the another dashboard. So here we are. So again, in the left sides we have the insights from this dashboards, and then we have the important KPIs to monitor all the time. Because whenever we have the new data, we just need to refresh it, and everything will be for the new data. Like we don't have to make the dashboard again and again. We just have to put the data, and everything will be uh, displayed for the new data itself only. Okay. So clicking on the home, it will take us back to the previous dashboard. So here we are. Okay, and thank you. And yeah, just like it.